matter. The matter around us is in one of three states: solid, for example, a rock, a book; liquid, for example, the water; or gas, for example, the air. Every object is made of atoms. A block of iron is made up of a huge number of iron atoms. The force that makes like atoms stick together is called a cohesive force. Solids. A solid is a kind of matter in which the cohesive forces are very strong. A solid object has a definite volume and shape. The atoms of a solid object are very close to each other. This is the reason why a solid cannot be compressed easily. A solid can be elastic, like steel or rubber, or plastic, like lead. An elastic solid changes its shape if acted upon by a force, but regains its initial shape when the force disappears. A plastic solid suffers a permanent change of shape when acted upon by a force. Liquids. A liquid has a definite volume, but not a definite shape. A liquid takes the shape of the container it is poured into. Sometimes the term fluid is used for liquids because they flow, because they are not rigid. Gases. Gases do not have a definite shape or volume. A gas occupies the whole volume which is at its disposal. Due to the fact that the distances between the gas molecules are very big, gases are very compressible. Vapor is the gas of a substance which is usually found as a liquid or a solid at room temperature. We say water vapors because at room temperature, water is a liquid. Phase changes. A phase change is the transformation that occurs in a substance when its state changes. Melting. This is the change of state from solid to liquid. When ice is heated, it transforms into water or it melts. The temperature at which this happens is called the melting point. In order to melt something, we need energy, heat. That is why we say that melting absorbs energy. Freezing. This is the change of state from liquid to solid. The temperature at which this phenomenon happens is called the freezing point. At 0 degrees centigrade, water freezes. Evaporation. This is the change of state from liquid to gas. When water boils at a temperature called the boiling point, part of it changes to a gas called water vapor. Condensation. This is the change of state from gas to liquid. The water vapors change back into water when the temperature decreases below the condensation point. Sublimation. This is the change of state from solid to gas. A wet cloth that hangs outside in the winter freezes. Then it dries through sublimation. Ice transforms slowly into water vapors. Dry ice changes from solid to gas very easily. De-sublimation. This is the change of state from gas to solid. In winter, water vapors in the atmosphere de-sublimate and form the frost.